Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start painting our background for our Islamic tile project. So first starting, you guys want to make sure that your watercolors are what the specific colors that you want so that you guys can get a really deep, rich color. And you'll also want a really big paintbrush. Make sure that it ends up getting a little bit wet so it'll be easier to transfer the color onto your paper very, very quickly because you guys only have one day to do this. So first, I'm going to start in the middle of my picture, and I would prefer you guys to do the same because we are going to work with the idea of radial design. So with radial, you start in the center and it gets bigger and bigger as it goes out. So I'm going to be doing essentially circles of color that get bigger and bigger as it goes out. So my first color, and you guys can pick any color that you would prefer, is purple because I prefer purple. It's one of my favorite colors. And I just make my dot. Try to get it as rich color-wise as I can. So that means I don't add as much water as I typically would in a watercolor. So I have a nice rich purple circle. I'm going to grab my next color. I'm going to go rainbow-wise just because it's a lot easier for the colors to blend together. Just rub just a little bit into the purple, clean off my brush, go back in, and blend them together. So you can see that the blue ring is a lot bigger than the purple ring because we are doing a radial design. That is how it works. And you see how quickly it goes with this big brush. Next color, I'm going to be doing some nice green. Again, I'm just doing it this way because they blend really well together color-wise if I keep going down the rainbow. You will end up being touching the edge of the paper, so don't worry about if it's uneven on one edge or another. You just want to make sure that you have really vivid and intense colors. Get my yellow. And I think that's going to be my last color. I think I'm just going to finish everything off with a really bright yellow. Go out to the edge of the paper, blend in with my green. And once you guys are done with that, you're going to put on your class color on the drying rack so that next time we can start print making if your guys' plate is done. And if it ends up drying just a little bit whenever you're in between painting colors, that's okay. If you just rub it a little bit with some water and a little bit more color, it ends up blending it out. Okay. Looks like I'm good, so this should go out onto the drying rack and be ready for me to work on it again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.